Experience life of refined luxury tucked away in the majestic mountains of Whitefish, Montana. 2674 Rest Haven Drive, overlooking Whitefish Lake, is my residential pick of the day. This spectacular home has been expertly updated with many stylish modern elements that I think perfectly blend with the natural surroundings. With gorgeous outdoor living spaces featuring an outdoor kitchen, grill, overhead heaters, and an amazing 15-foot folding glass door-framed entry leading from the executive kitchen, this space is perfect for your year-round entertaining. Enjoy the finest interior touches, including chef-inspired upgrades like Thermador appliances, beautiful hardwood flooring, custom rock designed surfaces, a surround sound audio system, plus a 300 square foot primary suite, walk-in closet, amazing jacuzzi tub, a steam shower, and a gas fireplace. Even more features include 3 full-size laundry rooms, an elevator, a 150 square foot loft, and radiant flooring. Now, this exquisite home has a total of 6,878 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. This luxurious property offers endless possibilities for you and the family. The lower level features a full kitchen, living room, 3 guest suites with potential for creating additional suites, 3 bathrooms, a den, and its own separate entrance. The walkout basement is finished and ideal for a theater or hobby room. Exterior features include a fire pit overlooking Whitefish Lake, underground sprinklers, a rock retaining wall, and a meticulously kept garden. Any toys you have can easily be stored in the 2-car oversized garage. There is a 3rd additional stall with 9-foot doors and the additional 880 square foot heated storage area. In addition, this property offers access to a private beach, community dock, and boat launch with a lottery system that determines overnight boat slips. So all of this is located within minutes to downtown shops in one direction and Whitefish Ski Resort in the other. So does this sound like the one? Contact me today for more information on this or any other properties that you may be interested in, or reach out to schedule an exclusive tour of this home, whether we need to do that virtually or, of course, in person. This property is offered at $5,499,000. Contact me today and let's go take a look.